You might be surprised by how many things you can make with a waffle maker. Most people use it only for waffles and then store it away. But today, I'm going to show you 5 easy and unexpected ways to use your waffle maker for quick, tasty meals and snacks. Let's begin. First, let's make some simple tacos using a waffle maker. Once you discover this trick, you may find yourself making them regularly because it's so easy and convenient. Start by placing a soft flour tortilla onto the waffle maker. Then spread a layer of your favorite sauce over it for extra flavor. Add your cooked meat right in the center, making sure there is enough room around the edges. Add some shredded lettuce or your favorite vegetables, then sprinkle over a little shredded cheese. Fold the tortilla in half, so all the filling stays inside. Then carefully close the waffle maker and cook for around 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes, you'll have a warm taco with a lightly crispy outside and flavorful filling inside. The waffle maker also helps keep the taco in a nice shape and prevents the filling from spilling out. It makes it a convenient choice for breakfast, a quick lunch, or an easy afternoon snack. Next, here's a clever trick that many people may not have tried. Cooking an egg in a waffle maker. You only need the waffle maker to prepare the egg quickly and neatly without using a skillet. Begin by preheating the machine for about 2 to 3 minutes. Lightly coat the waffle plates with a small amount of cooking oil or butter to help prevent sticking. Crack the egg directly onto the waffle plate, then gently close the lid without pressing it down. If you prefer a softer yolk, check the egg after around 1.5 to 2 minutes, so it doesn't cook for too long. For extra flavor, try adding shredded cheese, pepper, green onions, or your favorite herbs. After roughly 3 minutes, carefully remove the egg. You'll have a nicely cooked egg with an interesting waffle-shaped pattern. Pair it with sandwich bread, vegetables, and bacon for a quick and satisfying breakfast. Once you've removed the egg, cleaning is easy. While the waffle maker is still slightly warm, gently wipe the plates with a damp towel to remove any remaining food. Another useful idea is cooking a quick beef steak with your waffle maker. Start by drying the meat with a paper towel so the surface is ready for seasoning. Season it with salt, black pepper, and a little olive oil. If you want more flavor, you can also add garlic powder or some dried herbs. Preheat the waffle maker for around 3 minutes. Lightly coat the plates with a small amount of oil. Then place the steak in the center. Carefully close the lid and avoid pressing down too hard, so the meat stays juicy. Cook it for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, depending on the thickness and how well done you prefer it. Because the waffle maker heats both sides at once, the steak can develop attractive grill-like marks and lightly browned edges. Once it's finished, remove the steak and cut it into smaller pieces. The outside should have a nicely browned surface while the inside remains tender and moist when cooked to your preferred doneness, so next time you want a quick steak at home, this is a method worth trying. And now, let's move on to another fun idea, making simple hot dogs with a waffle maker. This one is especially easy and can make a fun snack for the family. Start by preparing a few sausages. If they are too long or large for your machine, simply cut them into smaller pieces that fit comfortably. Then place a skewer into each sausage piece. This makes them easier to handle, keeps them in position, and helps you remove them after cooking. Next, prepare your hot dog batter mixture. Pour a thin layer of batter onto the waffle plates. Place the sausage in the center. And add a little shredded cheese if you want. Then cover everything with another thin layer of batter. Close the waffle maker and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, until the outside becomes golden and smells delicious. Once cooked, carefully remove them and cut them in half. If you want smaller, easier to eat pieces, they taste great, straight from the waffle maker, or you can serve them with your favorite sauces. Try ketchup, chili sauce, or mayonnaise for extra flavor. They're simple, tasty, and easy to prepare. You can make them as an everyday snack. Serve them in the afternoon, or pack them for a picnic. They're quick to prepare and easy to enjoy. Tired of eating instant noodles the usual way? Try turning them into a crispy noodle pizza using your waffle maker. The process is simple, and the result is surprisingly fun. Start by draining the cooked noodles through a sieve to remove excess water. Transfer the noodles to a bowl. Add 1 egg and mix everything together until the noodles begin sticking together. Add a little salt or your preferred seasoning if needed. Pour the noodle mixture onto the waffle plates and spread it out evenly. This will become your pizza base, with a lightly crispy outside and a softer center. Sprinkle a layer of shredded cheese over the top. Add some vegetables you enjoy and a few slices of sausage. Then close the waffle maker and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. Once it's ready, open the lid and you'll have a hot instant noodle pizza with melted cheese and a lightly crispy crust. It's an unusual combination, but it can be a fun way to enjoy instant noodles differently. If you try this idea, let me know what you think in the comments. And those are 5 easy ways to get more use out of your waffle maker at home. After seeing all these ideas, you probably didn't realize one small appliance could be so versatile. I hope these simple recipes give you some new ideas and make your meals a little more interesting. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.